Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. Also, if you haven't checked out my other videos, do check it out. I have more than 300 videos related to planning, personal development, and all that good stuff, and I upload almost every single day. So do consider subscribing and give these videos a thumbs up if they're helping you or if you enjoy watching. Okay, let's get started with today's video. I am really excited to share this with you guys because I was just looking at a few products and I came across this. I felt like it'll be really helpful for a lot of you guys. So here we have a Factor Notes simple planner and the price is less than 300, the discounted price. And I feel for a planner that's a really good price, and I wanted to start off with this topic. I typically talk about the price a little bit later on in my videos, but this is it looks so good and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Let's walk through the images and see like what they're offering for that amount. Okay, here we have, first of all, there are multiple planner cover designs. I just picked this one because it looks really nice. We will go through the variations after we go through the features. Okay, here we have, looks like it is a tiny planner. It's not pretty huge. And the benefits that they are saying we would experience is time management, mental health, improving our mental health, increasing productivity, and boosting healthy habits. And having used planners for about close to a decade now, I agree with all of them. Then here you go. First, you have the goal setting page. We do need that in our planners, and because the headers are quite clear, and I don't really know if they have categorized it. I can sort of see some numbers here, but I don't think they've categorized it, so you can customize it however you want. You know, in some of the planners they have like relationships, they have career goals, but it might not be applicable for all of us during every year of our life. So you can really customize your goal setting page however you want in this. And then this is your weekly planning pages. You see here, because it is undated, like you are free to add your own like dates, months, and then you have a little notes section. Then it begins Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and at the end of the page you have another notes section. Then on the right side, it's the remainder of the week, and you have a little habit tracker and a notes section. So it looks like there are quite a few variations within the page. Like you have note sections, then you have habit trackers, and you have planning for your daily stuff. And also these note sections, I think it'll be great to divide it like into different ways. You know, if you have watched my weekly plan with me videos, you know that I like to do tarot readings every week for my goals, and I would have added the tarot reading guidance in one spot. Then I would have added my weekly affirmations or quote of the week in one place, and then probably here I would have just done a mini weekly reflection. I think that's really nice. Or you can use this as a mini week check-in. Or also this planner I feel would be great for students considering the budget, and also because it's undated, you will not really waste your planner during the months that you don't have classes. So you can pick up for, let's say, if you're in second semester, you use this planner for about 4 months, and then you have a month or two of holidays. And then when you get back into your third semester, you can just pick up from the following month. You don't really need to worry about wasting a lot of space in your planner. I really like that aspect, because when I was using a planner for my post-graduation, I had 4 months off from from April to September. I had 4 months off, and I just wasted the planner space during those months. So undated planner would be really great. You can have your assignments, your any exam schedule in one thing. So yeah, I think it'll be really great. The weekly spread looks pretty good. Then you have some yearly collection pages like favorite quotes, again because the header is so small, and it's quite minimal. Although there's a little bit of color, I don't think that should be an issue, as you can put a washi tape over it and add a sticker and rename the header. And this is days to remember. Here probably you can create your study plan. If you're using for anything else, you can add your monthly goals. So these two spreads are great too. Then you have these lists: reading list, learning list, bucket list, travel list. Usually whenever I see these kind of lists in the planners that I have purchased, I use it to write down my video list. Like I said, I upload almost every day. So at the beginning of the month, what I do is I put probably around 20-25 ideas that I have for the month, and then I leave a few blank spaces so that I can add whatever videos are recommended by you guys. It's not necessary that I do all of them during that month. I do some, then you guys really give very good ideas. So I sort of move some of my ideas to the following month that aren't time sensitive. So I really like using for that. But then, this too you can use, or you can create a wish list of the things that you want to buy. I'm really enjoying creating wish lists, just to be a little bit more mindful about my spendings, and that's working out quite well too. So I really like the things, and I love that there's a checkbox column. I just tend to check mark wherever I've written it, but it's nice that that's there. And if you've been using planners, the satisfaction of just checking things, and that's really great. Okay, you have something called as improvement plan: body, mind, relationships, work. Those two, you can use it like if you want to as it is, but also you're free to just rename it, put a washi tape or a sticker over it, and like customize it. Then you have something called as restaurant list. Then it also comes with a few sticker paper. I'm not too sure if they have a monthly page or not. I see weekly pages, and I see a few collection pages in the images that they have given, but let's have a look here. It says designed for 12 months and is undated to help you plan and progress at any time. Manage it monthly. Exclusive and inclusive month-wise planner. Okay, so I guess there are some monthly pages too. Then unmatched quality, the true factor notes quality with pleat-free natural shade premium grade paper. Although they have not given the GSM, I have never used factor notes planners before, but I know that they're pretty famous. They're a lot of you have used their planner, so you guys would be a better judge for that. In case you have used and you would like to share your experience regarding their paper quality, or in general your experience of using factor notes products, do leave your comments. I'd be interested to know. Probably I can pick it up to do a review, and because it's undated, I'm not in a pressure to really use it, and that's pretty good for me. And also it'll be nice for someone else who's just looking forward to make a purchase. Then it says highly researched and proven productivity solution to attain your all your life goals. Track progress with ease, maximize time, and be productive. Feel better and happier. So I'm just seeing if they have any paper quality. They don't. Let's have a look at this review, because they've got pretty good reviews. I think it is a new launch. But yeah, let's have a look at this. I really like people and appreciate like whoever adds reviews. Look, we have the monthly calendar, so that's pretty great, and it is a Monday start, so that's nice too. So you have all the monthly calendars in one spot, and then your daily pages, and then in the end, looks like we have probably a few notes pages. That's pretty nice. And then it comes with 2 sticker sheets, like cute stickers. They're not too bad. They're actually cute. I shouldn't say not bad. They're actually nice. Okay, the video looks good, and appreciate the person who uploaded it. Let's see some of the images here. So stickers look quite nice. Then improvement plan. We saw all of this. Okay, this looks great. I feel it's like a regular notebook. I don't see it laying completely flat, but I think it should be fine. I mean, I look at the things like laying flat or 120 GSM thickness paper. All that is like a little bit of a nice to haves in my planner rather than a must have. But for the price that we're paying, I think it is pretty good. It's definitely pretty good. Yeah, this looks quite nice. In case you want to get it, I get a lot of questions related to recommending planners for students, and that was the video I was researching for. I was just trying to shortlist, making sure that whatever list I share is a pretty good one for you guys to choose from. And I found this. I'm like, okay, this is too good for me to wait until I do that video. I was planning to do it sometime this week, but I just wanted to share it as soon as I could. That's why I did the video. Now, the images look good, guys. A lot of people, I don't know, I think it's a new launch. I'm not really sure if they had it before. But a few of them have purchased it recently and they've given pretty good reviews about it. Let's have a look at the variations. Okay, here we go. I think in the end, yep, you see all the planners that are priced around, like, I guess about 250 and below 300. So you have so many different variations. You have this one that's pretty neutral. This is cute, I guess, minimal and nice. Trust the magic of new beginnings. I love that quote. Right here tomorrow. It's that pixelated effect. This one is nice. It says, this is the beginning of anything you want. This is pretty good too. This design is pretty too. It's one of my favorites, and this one is nice as well. So it looks nice. And another thing I'm just a little bit skeptical of is that there are very little reviews and all of them are positive. I just like to, I mean, it's not necessary that every product is like bad or just the positive reviews are not authentic or something. I'm not trying to say that, but the more reviews that you have, I think the better you can judge or trust. But I guess the amount is pretty good, and I feel like it's worth giving a try. So let me know what you think about this planner, and would you be purchasing it, or you're like, no, this is too good to be true, so I'm gonna look at something else. Also, just looked at this cover design is so good. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if you have any other video requests, like any other planners you want me to check out, then leave it in the comments below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.